Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. Before we get into today's vlog, I would like to give a special shout out to Hurela Hair for sponsoring this video.
Yeah. Our bodies collide. Baby, you're everything I want. Let's give it some time, yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know.
So this is their highlight body wave in 24 inches. I love this color blend. It's so pretty. And this is how the hair looks in its natural state. This is a 13x4 lace frontal. It has the baby hairs here for you. And the unit comes pre-plucked.
No, they don't, no, they don't. Let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't. So alive. When I'm with you, I'm on flight.
And this is inside the unit. As you guys can see, the parting is really deep on this unit. You have a comb on both sides of the unit and one in the back, along with the adjustable straps and a lace tab.
Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll, how we roll. Nobody knows what we.
Okay, y'all, and here is the hair. It's so pretty. I added some wand curls to it, but I love this blend. You guys already know how I feel about that. The only thing that I would say, I wish it was a little longer. This is 24 inches, so I do wish it was just a tad bit longer. The blend is really, really nice. The parting is deep. Hair was really easy to curl. The perfect density, I really, really like that. I'll have all the information along with the discount code in the description box below.